Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the Farm Wolf. I'm Mike, or Wolfie, whichever you prefer. Today we're finishing up on this farm, baling up the last field of hay that's in windrows right now. Had my little boy raking for me yesterday. He got all of the fields raked, and he kind of got ahead of me on a bunch of them, but I was raking alongside, or not alongside him, but behind him. This field he got done, and it ended up getting too dark on me, so I had to quit for the night. So we're back at it today. I checked it. The underside of the hay is a little damp. We had a heavy dew last night, so I've got him fluffing it back up, just turning the windrows over. So whenever he gets done windrowing, I'm going to finish baling up this hay. What I am having him do is he's got all this raked in windrows. These windrows, I'm just having him come over and make a pass where he can flip the underneath side up, and then it can dry. In all reality, it might be dry enough to go ahead and bale it the way it is, but I got the tractor here, I got him here. I figured why not have him roll it over for me. That way I don't have to wonder about it or take the chance. You can see the difference between a fluffed windrow and one that was raked last night and it sat overnight. You can tell one that was raked last night looks more flat compared to them. It's just been fluffed back up. So like I said, it will help it dry back out. Rather than get down there at the end of that field and have to make a hairpin turn, He came back up through the center of the field here, or not the center, but over towards the edge where it's wide open. That way he can make a wider turn. And there's less chance of getting the hay rake into the rear tire. And here he is on that final windrow. Next, I'll let this dry for just a little bit and we'll get in the baler and we'll bale it. So I'd give you a little look at the field. sure hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't get to get a lot of footage. I hardly got any of unrolling that big bale of hay back out so I could roll it back up. Again, the GoPro got caught in the baler, went in the bale of hay. I couldn't find it. We had to unroll it. I would have got more footage, but my neighbor that owns this place, he was here helping, and I really don't think he wanted to be on camera. So that's why you just got bits and pieces. It would have made some really good footage, but it is what it is. I hope you liked this video, because just like Grandma's cookies, I made it with love. Please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. And you have a good one. This is Mike with Farm Wolf. Take care.